I'm sorry. I actually do have a plate for this bike, but the bolt fell off. So, but I understand. Yeah.
You guys got your IDs?
I think I do. Yeah.
No weapons, anything on you?
No, ma'am. No.
If everything good comes out your IDs, I'll let you guys go. Just trying to get you to pull over, but
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate it.
where are you guys going? This neighborhood or just driving around?
Yeah, just driving around and heading back over towards.
Not on the greenway, but back over the greenway.
To jump on?
Yeah.
And a residential before along on 10 Mile Street, but unless you pre-alerting a larceny on Castle Road, that's fine.
Alright, so give me a second. I'm going to go.
All right, thank you. Yeah. She was cool though. She's like, if everything checks out, you're good.
I look back and I see you going farting along, and I was like, oh shit. Eric's probably already there, safe and sound.
Alright, so get your IDs back.
All right.
Tell who's who.
Thank you.
Just have these plates when you get a chance.
Absolutely. Well, we will. Thank you too.
I should have slapped my arm before we got out there.
What a nice officer.
Huh?
What a nice officer. Well, that's what happens when you pull over 99% of the time. They don't do shit. They just said, oh shit, you pulled over. I wasn't expecting that.
I thought you were going to give me some. We got to tell Eric we got pulled over.
No plates. Because we were only going, I don't know. No excuse for that.
I'm
But
like, here's my plate. It's up to date.
you should have just not, you probably should have just not even brought that out. Yeah, I got the plate in my backpack.
Yeah, I told her where I keep riding at, keep smashing it down more.
So I guess we're good to still ride.
Going riding.
Oh, let's go.
Where'd she get behind you at?
I don't know. You just look back, and then I was like, okay, let me look back. Because I just don't have mirrors. That's I do want to get like a little mirror right here, because you don't know if someone's riding your ass or anything. But that was crazy. Okay, let's go.
You record it?
Yeah. Got pulled over a half mile away from the spot. Eric rolling up. He bought Tyler's old 250. Tyler got a new, or like a 2022, I think, CRF 250R. Oh yeah, it rained last night, but it's honestly not too bad. Woo! Oh, we got the e-bike guy again. Woo! Oh. Whoa. Whoa!
See those new trails up
Yeah, I did. Right there, and then there's another one. I don't know. Yeah, got pulled over. Let us go. Swear to God, I got it.
Everything, and he said,
Got it all on GoPro.
and what'd she say?
She just walked up and said you can't be riding these on the road, and I was like, oh, I actually have. I probably could have just not even said that I had a license plate, but
She just said you can't ride it on the road?
yeah. But then she checked their IDs and we're good.
She didn't say that. She just said fasten these license plates back on.
No, but when she first walked up, she was like, you can't be on the road. But then I let her know that I had. We didn't have a license plate on though. Huh? Oh yeah. I mean, you would have been fine, but.